Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust touch controls of your Marshall Minor 3. So first of all, you have to be connected with the Marshall Bluetooth application, and then when you are connected you have to go for the touch controls. You have to turn them on with this switcher, and right here we can select left or the right earbud. We can, for example, pick the left one, and right here we can turn the equalizer. We can also turn the voice assistant, and we can also do nothing. It was set up as a default, but I guess we can turn the voice assistant. So right now we have to just long touch the left earbud, so that's the left one. We have to click and hold it to activate the voice assistant. So let's try if it works properly. Let me just put it inside my ear. Okay, and right now when I'm gonna click and hold it, right now this assistant is turned on, and for the right one we can just basically do the same. We can just switch the equalizer. So on the right one we have to also long touch. So let's open the equalizer and I'm gonna show you how it works, but I have to put the right one to my ear. As you can see right now we are switching between these three presets. We have to just click and hold, and you can do this easily. So yeah, that's all for this video, and I hope that you like it.